Fenty, wait.
It's that time of year again.
The Fenty Fam Sale is here.
And these are our top 10.
Top 10.
And must-cop essentials.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Keep it classy. Never ashy.
All right, let's start with lip. Which one's your favorite?
This is Lux Balm. I don't leave the house without applying some. Sometimes you wake up in the morning, your lips are kind of dry, throw this on and you're good for the day.
If you're gonna cop anything from the sale, you have to cop Gloss Bomb. Right here we have 3 different formulas. There's Heat, OG, and Cream. And here's
the Heat, everybody's favorite. This is Miss Hot Cherry.
And here's Lemon Lava. And this one's gonna have a light plumping effect.
It'll give you a hint of tint, a fuller looking pout.
It's a little more subtle, but when you wear it, your lips will definitely be looking juicy AF.
You guys need to buy Gloss Bomb because look at this doe foot. Look at how thick she is. Extra, extra large doe foot wand right there. So good to get all over your lips, and look at the juicy shine. Like, you're kidding.
So juicy.
My favorite is Butta Drop, which is a whipped oil body cream.
Oh.
And I love it. It smells delicious.
It's giving Fenty fresh, it's giving clean, it's giving luxury. It's lightweight, but also super hydrating. Like, I can use it on my hands, but you know, the big boy for when I'm like fresh out the shower and drench my whole body.
I personally have on the Pro Filt'r, shout out 260. That's what I'm gonna be copying. Need a little re-up. What are you wearing?
I have Eaze Drop Stick on. Swipe, melt, go. I mean, look at this. You get a ton of products, so it takes forever to go through it all. And then the OG queen, we have Eaze Drop. This is amazing. It inspired our Eaze Drop Stick.
Eaze Drop is really nice for when you want like lighter coverage, but still want like a little blur, a little like nice soft skin.
So we have our Fenty Skin Starters right here. This is for the dry skin girlies. We have Melt Off.
I love Melt Off.
And the texture is so jelly.
I love this to like take off my makeup, and I love like double cleansing too with Total Cleanser with this.
Yes,
Like that's my favorite thing.
Absolutely love.
Have you guys ever wondered what Rihanna smells like? She smells like Fenty Parfum.
It comes in this beautiful amber brown bottle. Just look at the way that light hits that.
And we also have this super chic refillable travel spray where you just twist up and down and you can replace the little vials inside once you run out. So you can be smelling like Rihanna 24/7, 365.
Baddie on the go.
Don't want to put on too much.
I just ate it. Guys, hold on. Sorry, I got it in my mouth. Sorry. All right, smell me. Describe what I smell like.
It's definitely floral. There's like Bulgarian rose. I know there's notes of that in there, and it's a little citrusy,
but like that sexy, musky like afternote is what I'm like really getting at the end. She smells good. She smells like Rihanna.
I love Lux Balm, but I am gonna say my favorites are the Treatz. So don't forget to treat yourself during the sale. I love the cherry, and it's hard to say which one's my favorite. Have you smelled them before?
I have not.
They smell so good. Look, just smell that. It makes you want to eat it.
Okay, next is Matchsticks. I have Truffle right here. This is actually what I'm wearing today. I absolutely love it to contour like around my forehead, my cheeks, like my jawline, and then I'll switch between Truffle and also Espresso, just depending on how tin I am, like in the summer or if it's winter time or whatnot. But they're so creamy. They blend so well into the skin. I have on HBIC. A little deeper of a red, but also really wearable every day.
Like, look how pretty and soft this is. Like, just the perfect, I mean, it's in the name, velvet. It really looks like velvet. Oh yeah, you can see the comparison.
Red lip.
The little back dress. Oh my god.
What?
No, I feel like a red lip is like a little black dress. Like, it just goes with everything. Yeah.
True.
All my football fans, halftime show last year, that was red lip that she had on. I mean, this is so comfortable, I really forgot that I was even wearing lipstick.
We cannot forget about Hydra Vizor.
Oh yeah, I use this every day. I use Hydra Vizor every day. You get the best of both worlds. It's like moisturizer and then SPF protection. So if you go out often, if you go out anytime, throw this on and you'll be good for the day.
What I love is that we have options, like we have Hydra Vizor OG, and
Right.
for people with sensitive and reactive skin like myself, we have mineral. I also love to use them as primer under makeup.
Next, we have the We're Even concealer. Definitely one of my new faves. It's
So
so
exciting.
creamy on the skin. It gives me that perfect coverage, and then also like that buildable coverage as well I can go in with if I need a little bit more. Look at that doe foot, that perfect curvature.
You're so good at that. I didn't even think of that.
I'm an influencer era, and it has that perfect one, so it really gets in like underneath my eyes perfectly. I'm able to like really
I'm gonna swatch.
get it where I need to and blend it in perfectly. It blends so easily, like a dream.
Okay.
Rihanna said we're getting even, so I'm getting even.
I'm getting even too.
Oh, my saying was keep it classy, never trashy,
Yep.
a little nasty, but never ashy.
Never.
Period. That was all.